We're on the Tip Masters PDF and we're in a new area, section 18, which is the tangent line position. We need to study the tangent line of each object ball before shooting. In drill number 3, in this game of 9 ball, we need to pocket the 4 ball and end up in position A on the 5 ball to get on the 6 ball. If we examine the 5 ball tangent line for the side pocket, we can see that a sliding cue ball will take us to the 3rd diamond on the side rail. But if the cue ball has a touch of roll on it, when it strikes the 5 ball, it will be sent toward the 2nd diamond for shape on the 6 ball. Alright everyone, let's sticker this up and get to it.